So good morning and welcome back over to Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. We came on over because we have not come over to Blizzard Beach in a decent amount of time, plus it is very hot, so why not come out and visit a water park on a very warm day? So Blizzard Beach is much more about a lot of the thrills, but a lot more climbing stairs to get to a lot of these rides. But they do have some pretty good stuff. They have the mat Tobaggon racer ride slides, which is like the mat slides where you go back and forth. And they also have a downhill racer one. So we're definitely gonna be doing that today. And then we're gonna be doing all the other rides they have here. So, and there's Allie with towels on her head. So let's just head on in and have some fun here at Blizzard Beach. I always like Blizzard Beach. I still think Typhoon is my favorite one, but Blizzard Beach is a lot of fun though. Just because it is very much of the like, a massive freak snowstorm came in and a little gator decided to build a ski resort. However, the ski resort, what do you call it, melted because all the snow melted. So, but I do like the fact that they have this where it's just like Lotta Wada Lodge. Bubbles. A lot of bubbles. I guess so. Well, I mean, most of, yeah.
He was like over there. He was like meeting over there.
Oh yeah.
Kristoff.
Flip flop. But see, look right up there. There's one of the tallest body slides in the world in Summit Plummet. That hurts. I can tell you right now that one hurts a little bit. And when I mean a little bit, I mean it hurts a lot. So, but I think what we're gonna end up gonna do is we're gonna come over here and go ahead and get a locker and just go ahead and get the GoPro out so we can just start riding some rides, because I think wait times are gonna be very low right now. Bottom of the slide. Oh god, I hate this one. Use my toes to slow me down. So the first one we did, I forgot to say, we did Snowstormers, which is the like back and forth one. Now we're gonna do Tobaggon Racer, which is the little downhill racer one. And I'm using my head mount right now for this. Just walking up all those stairs. Whew, it's a workout. Over here, we're decided to do runoff rapids. I did have an issue with the GoPro on the Tobaggon Racer. For some reason, it was only recording in 15-second increments, so it ended up not recording the whole race. So, because I missed part of it, so came over here and just did runoff rapids instead, which is the little tube slides here on the side that you can walk a lot of stairs up to. So, thought we'd do this one instead. Oh my! When did they put the little bumps in? Oh, more bumps! So that one was pretty interesting. I do remember that for a while. I think after Irma came through, one of the open slides actually got taken down because I think some damage got to it because they rebuilt it. Because it looks like a brand new slide. But I don't know if you noticed, it had the little bumps on it. I guess like to slow you down and stuff, so. Yeah, the weird, so they're not like, they're like the weird like, I don't know what you call them, like soft sided ones, because these are tubes. And then the other one looks like like the tarp is laid over it and you slide down it, so. See, the enclosed one doesn't do good with the GoPro, so. I would say this lazy river right here at Blizzard definitely has it's the longer one of the ones between here and Typhoon. This one goes like all the way around the park, like all the way around. The one at Typhoon doesn't quite go all the way around. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, that's a 12-story slide. For a long time was one of the tallest in the world. For a while it was the tallest body slide in the world. when it first opened. So yeah, it's yeah. Just that sound alone is scary.
Like a little bit of test track.
A little bit, but with people instead. So instead of waiting for the ski lift was like 15-20 minutes. So we walk up the stairs. Gosh, 90 feet up in the air. Teamboat Springs Party of 2 and 4 will be grouped with other groups. True. Well, this gives a really good view over for Animal Kingdom usually. Ooh, I'm worn out. That was a... Yeah, you can see Animal Kingdom over there. See the backside of Expedition Everest. Oh yeah. We're really high up here now. Thought we'd give this toboggan racer another chance because earlier our alley got stuck and didn't go down the slide and the GoPro didn't record, so overall not a good run on toboggan racers for either one of us. So we did everything else that we wanted to do, so we're gonna come up here. Sorry, I'm out of breath walking up all these stairs again. We'll do toboggan racers one more time.
All right, elbows in, hold those handles at all times. On your mark, get set, go!
Alright, now that we've kind of done everything it seems that we wanted to do, because I wanted to do the downhill double dipper, but it said let's hit a 15-minute wait, but I had a feeling I think it was a little bit more than that. And we usually don't like to eat here. Like, we only like to come to the water parks for a couple hours at a time since we do live down in this area. So, but they do also have the splash pack thing here where you get like a towel, a refillable mug for like $25, I think. So it's a really good deal. So I think we'll stop by the gift shop on the way out, see what kind of stuff they have here, because we know at Typhoon they have a lot of Stitch stuff and like Lilo and Stitch stuff. Yeah, definitely. Ali did make a comment about here was where Kristoff met during the Frozen Summer Games when they used to do stuff like that during the summertime. And if you're looking for a polar patio and a lodge umbrella rentals, this is where you come into. But look at the Blizzard Beach towel right there. It's the new Mickey and Minnie short styles. And then if you need some goggles, they have goggles here as well. beach ball, a Nemo beach ball, some sand castle stuff. I'm doing the thing here where if you buy 2 beach towels, they're only $22 each. Normally they're $26 a piece. And they do have one of the Blizzard Beach ones. They have an Ariel, Princess, Grumpy, Eeyore. Why does Eeyore look so sad?
That's how he is.
And then all the Mickey ones down here. So these are some pretty good deals. So they also have these like UV, like spirit jerseys. But you can see this is like a white one with Mickey on it. That's pretty cool. It's $50. It says Disney's Blizzard Beach, and what it is, it's good to UPF 50. So like if you wore a, what do you call it? If you wear like sunscreen, and then there's like the blue version, the women's version. So then there's some simple merchandise for Blizzard Beach here, and some kitty stuff over there. So, and here's the splash pack. Like I said, bundle includes a food entree, dessert, collectible refill mug, and a Disney themed souvenir towel. I can't remember how much this cost. I remember last time we looked, that we figured out how much it cost. So, but it's a pretty good deal. And then the little gifts, the little area. Oh look, there's Goofy.
Oh, on the phone.
Did you leave it in the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
I wasn't gonna use it.
And sunny sleds, which I don't think there's really much demand for anyway, so we are gonna go ahead and call it a from Blizzard Beach, and you know, overall really fun little quick trip out. Definitely we could have spent a lot more time there, but we usually don't spend a lot of time at the water parks just because we get really tired, plus we don't want to burn too bad. We just came out of the summertime, so, or out of the wintertime, so we're a little pale. So, but I mean, overall, really good day. Despite the fact of having a little issues with the GoPro earlier, we got to do pretty much everything we wanted to do. We did the runoff rapids, the toboggan racers, the snowstormers, and Teamboat Springs, which is what we like to do. Now, I do determine that Typhoon Lagoon has a lot more of the stuff we like to do, so no big deal. I like both of these. It was a lot of fun. It wasn't too busy. So, with all that being said, we do head out from a very cold day here at Disney's Blizzard Beach. We will see y'all next time.